Hello everyone, my name is Jiun Lee. Today, we'll discuss hematopoietic, red, marrow in MRI imaging, focusing on two cases. This information is crucial for accurate diagnosis and differentiation from pathological conditions. Let's begin. We'll examine three types of MRI sequences for each case: T1, weighted images at the top, T2, weighted images in the middle, and fat-suppressed T2, weighted or proton density images at the bottom. Let's start with our first case. In the leftmost column, we have what we typically see in an adult's normal knee MRI. This serves as our baseline for comparison. Moving to the middle column, we have an MRI of an overweight female's knee. This case demonstrates reconverted hematopoietic marrow in an adult, which can sometimes be mistaken for pathology. Key points to note. On T1, weighted images, these areas appear as decreased signal intensity. Due to the intermixed fat in red marrow, it usually has higher T1, weighted signal intensity than muscle. On T2, weighted images, they show intermediate signal intensity. It's crucial to distinguish this from infiltrative processes like leukemia or lymphoma. Remember, red marrow typically doesn't show associated cortical destruction or soft tissue mass. However, I must emphasize that differentiation from malignancy can be challenging in cases of profound red marrow reconversion. Now, let's move to our second case in the rightmost column, which shows hematopoietic marrow in children. The key characteristics to observe are: normal red marrow regions are longitudinally oriented with straight margins. They have a base at or adjacent to the physis. On T1, weighted images, the signal should always be increased relative to muscle. On T2, weighted images, the hematopoietic marrow is hyperintense due to its high water content, with a signal that approximates that of muscle. Note the distinctive striated and flame-shaped appearance in the metaphyses and diaphyses of the femur and tibia. Typically, the epiphyseal regions are spared. These features are characteristic of normal hematopoietic marrow in children and should not be mistaken for pathology. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it.